Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on essential topics in digital marketing. I am Raj and today we will learn about the basics of digital marketing. In this video, we will cover three main areas. First, we will understand the foundation of digital marketing. Second, we will dive into social media marketing and email marketing. Finally, we will explore search engine marketing and the role of AI in the future of digital marketing. Section 1, Foundation of Digital Marketing. Now let's understand the overview of digital marketing. Digital marketing means promoting products, services, or branding through online platforms like websites, social media, search engines, and emails. Compared to traditional marketing, digital marketing provides more advantages because businesses can target specific customers and easily measure their results. There are different online marketing channels such as social media marketing, search engine marketing, email marketing, and online advertisements. Each channel helps businesses connect with customers in different ways. The main objectives of digital marketing are to reach the right customers, increase brand awareness, generate leads, increase sales, build customer relationships, and grow the business online. Digital marketing is useful for all types of businesses, whether it is a small business or large company, because it provides flexible options and helps businesses understand their customers better. One of the biggest benefits of digital marketing is measurement. Businesses can track website visitors, advertisement performance, customer behavior, and sales results. This data helps them improve their marketing strategies. After understanding digital marketing, the next important step is creating a proper digital strategy. A digital strategy helps businesses plan their marketing activities and achieve their goals effectively. The strategy is based on the 5W and 1H approach. First is what? It defines what the businesses want to achieve, which products or services to promote, and what marketing activities are required. Second is why. It explains the reason behind the strategy, such as achieving business goals, improving performance, and using resources wisely. Third is who. It focuses on identifying the target audience, understanding customer needs, and creating strategies for the right customers. Fourth is where. It means selecting the right platforms where customers are active, such as social media, websites, and search engines. Fifth is when. It focuses on planning timelines, scheduling content, and reviewing campaign performance regularly. Finally, how explains the methods used to achieve goals such as creating valuable content, running digital campaigns, using advertisements, and measuring results. A proper digital strategy helps businesses make better decisions, reach the right audience, and achieve better marketing results. Now, let's understand the digital marketing funnel and metrics. A digital marketing funnel shows the journey of a customer from discovering a brand to becoming a loyal customer. The first stage is awareness. At this stage, people discover a brand through different channels like social media, advertisements, or Google search. The main goal is to make people aware of the brand. The second stage is consideration. Here, customers start learning more about the product or service. They may visit the website, check reviews, and compare different options before making a decision. The third stage is conversion. This is when customers take action, such as purchasing a product, submitting an inquiry, or contacting the business. The final stage is loyalty. After getting customers, businesses focus on building long term relations through offers, supports, and encouraging repeat purchases. Along with the funnel, businesses use marketing metrics to measure campaign performance. Important metrics include impressions, which show how many people saw the content or advertisement, clicks, which show how many people interacted with the ad or link, CTR, click through rate, which measures the percentage of people who clicked after seeing the advertisement, conversions, which show the actions completed by customers, ROI, return on investment, which shows the profit gained from marketing investment. Section 2, social media marketing and email marketing. Now let's understand the basics of social media marketing. First, what is social media marketing? It is the process of promoting products or services using social media platforms to connect with customers and grow a business. Next, let's look at some popular platforms. Instagram for reels and brand awareness, Facebook for business pages and communities, LinkedIn for professional networking, YouTube for video marketing, WhatsApp Business for customer communication, Twitter for updates and trends. Now, how can businesses do social media marketing? First, understand your target audience. Second, create valuable and engaging content. Third, interact with your audience by replying to comments and messages. Fourth, use paid advertisement to reach more people. Finally, track your performance and improve your strategy. By following these steps, businesses can build a strong online presence and achieve better results. Now, let's understand how to create effective social media content. First, choose the right content format based on your audience. You can use post to share information and product updates, stories for quick daily updates, reels and videos to reach more people, live sessions to interact with your audience in real time, infographics to explain information in a simple and attractive way. Next, focus on audience engagement. Create useful and valuable content, post regularly and stay consistent, reply to comments and messages, use captions, questions, and polls to encourage interaction. Good content and regular engagement help build trust, increase followers, and grow your brand. Now, let's learn about email marketing and automation. First, email marketing helps businesses communicate directly with customers. It is used to share newsletters, promotional offers, product updates, and follow up emails, which help build strong customer relationships. Next, businesses collect email lists to send messages to the right audience. With email automation, emails are sent automatically based on customer actions. For example, welcome emails, reminders, and follow up messages. The main benefits of email marketing are that it saves time, provides personalized communication, builds customer trust, and helps increases sales. Section 3, Search Engine Marketing and AI Trends. Now let's understand the basics of search engine marketing fundamentals. First, SEM uses paid advertisements to help businesses appear at the top of search engine results and attract more customers. On the other hand, SEO or search engine optimization improves a website's ranking organically without paying for ads. Now, let's see how Google search ads work. First, businesses choose relevant keywords, then they create an attractive advertisement. Google displays the ad when users search for those keywords. Businesses pay only when someone clicks on the ad. This is called pay per click or PPC. SEM helps businesses get quick visibility, more website traffic, and potential customers. Now, let's understand the structure of a search campaign. The first step is campaign setup and keyword strategy. Set the campaign goal, choose the right budget, select relevant keywords, identify the target audience. The second step is creative landing pages and optimization. Create an attractive ad, link it to a useful landing page, track campaign performance, continuously optimize the campaign for better results. A well planned search campaign helps businesses reach the right audience and achieve better marketing results. Now, let's look at the role of AI and future trends in digital marketing. First, AI helps in content creation, and personalization. It can generate content ideas, create images and text, and deliver personalized experiences to customers. Second, AI helps in data analysis. It studies customer behavior, identifies patterns, and helps businesses target the right audience with the right message. Overall, AI saves time, improves marketing decisions, enhances customer experience, and is shaping the future of digital marketing. Thank you everyone for watching. Today we learned the fundamentals of digital marketing, including social media marketing, email marketing, search engine marketing, and the role of AI in the future of marketing. I hope this video has helped you understand these concepts in simple and easy way.